This is going to be a really quick tutorial on how to create a loft between two sketches. So we'll start out creating a sketch, very simple. We'll just make a circle like so. We'll accept it. And we're going to make an offset plane. And we'll move that up a little ways like so. And accept that. On this new offset plane, we're going to create another sketch. And we can even use a different shape. So let's make a rectangle and finish that sketch. And then to connect these two, in Fusion, it's as simple as selecting the Loft command, click on the first shape, select the second shape, and it automatically connects the two, and you have a nice smooth transition from your circle up to your square. And that's the real basic version of how to use the Loft command in Fusion 360.